When it comes to the fastest animal in the world, most people think about the cheetah, but it isn't. Its top speed is 112 to 120 kilometers per hour, or 70 to 75 miles per hour, in short bursts. The fastest animal is the peregrine falcon, which reaches speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour, or 190 miles per hour, when diving for prey. This incredible bird uses its streamlined body and powerful wings to achieve these mind-blowing speeds. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, and they primarily eat medium-sized birds, small mammals, and occasionally reptiles. So, forget the cheetah. The true speed demon of the animal kingdom is the peregrine